How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, a big warm welcome. My name's Tristan Mortlock. This is Captain's vlog. Not in today's videos, but maybe in the next video, the next couple of videos, we're going to be leaving Pisa and heading towards the ocean. We're up a very narrow canal at the moment, right next to Pisa airport. But today's video, we've got the technicians from AWOL on board. They're the guys that done all our electrical work on board at last winter's refit. And today they're going to be replacing 2 batteries for the starboard generator as they've started to fail. So I'm going to watch them do that. And we're also going to replace the emergency stop buttons for the port and starboard side generators because they're about 10 years old now and they're starting to be, they need replacing just for as a precaution. We're going to do it down in the ECR, see what they're up to and watch them change the batteries and get some information. Ah, they're slapping it. Attenzione. So this young man here, this is Luca. He's worked on board for a long time.
Yeah.
Molto tiempo con questa barca. He did all the electrical refit last year and the year before. And then his colleague is in the battery compartment, and these are the 2 new batteries here for the starboard side generator because they started failing. And they're changing also the emergency stops, right, Slav?
Yes, for port generator. Last test, we had pressed the emergency stop and the push button going out.
So it's failing.
So it's failing, it's broken something inside, so I asked Luca to bring new one and to change.
What's that? This is a new one.
Yes.
We have, so there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 8.
6 total.
6.
4 for the engine, 2 for the generator. But the generator is on forward.
So 2 for the starboard generator,
Yes.
2 for the port generator.
No, the port generator on the
On the
other
other side.
box. You have 2 battery for the port generator
Yeah.
and 4 battery for the engines. Service and service.
And then for the generator, the startup is 12 volt
Yes.
or 24 volt?
24 volts generator.
Okay, so you do the
Yes,
conversion.
the serial.
The serial, yeah.
And for parallel,
For parallel, only for the maximum ampere.
So with the parallel, it
Yes.
connects the starboard generated batteries
Yes.
with the
With
port generator batteries.
Port and starboard, it's the same box of battery. With you put the parallel.
Okay. So guys, what that basically means is, let's say the starboard generator batteries are quite low. What you can do, you can call a parallel. So it joins the battery banks together, so you have the port side generator batteries and the starboard side working together to start it up in case you have an issue. It's basically like a precaution and a backup system. Ideally, if you are at a point where you're using parallel, it means your batteries are probably dead or slowly dying, so it's always a good idea to have them changed as soon as possible.
have the different types of batteries, and some it's liquid with acid inside, some it's with gel. Some batteries with gel, AGM or something, it's maintenance free, and that's usually we using these batteries we using for jet ski, because if jet ski going upside down or falling on the one side, liquid cannot going out.
Okay.
So, and this battery AGM gel, it's maintenance free. They have made it for about 2 years, maybe 2.5 years. It depends how we use it, but usually it's about 10,000 to 15,000 start stops, and after that throw away to the garbage. Never mind for material inside. And this battery maintenance free, we cannot charging. The battery with liquid we can charge or keep it on standard.
What do you mean not charging?
The battery AGM, not
Yeah.
charging. But when you put inside the gel, it's done. No,
You can't fill the battery up.
You cannot
Okay, I
put,
think the viewers might get confused. You can charge it, you can charge a battery with the battery charger. What you're saying is, unlike the lead acid, which you can fill up with distilled water,
no.
you can't fit. Is that what you're saying?
No, the AGM battery, you fill only one time with the gel.
Yeah, exactly.
And
So it's
after-
sealed. It's sealed.
It's
That's
sealed.
it. It's closed.
Yes, and close. And after, when you fill up the gel, after 2 hours, it's ready for starting, for use.
Yeah.
The batteries with the liquid acid, you can fill up, open the plugs, fill up the compartments, the cells,
Yeah.
and you can connect plus minus on the battery charger. You can connect and charge. So if liquid in battery going down, the cell of the battery also losing. So we need to put demineralized
Yeah,
water,
distilled water,
distilled
yeah.
water, or on some batteries you need to add also acid.
Yeah.
But you need to have these proper devices to put exactly amount of the acid and everything. And these batteries, it's practically constant on charging. So the charger working automatically. When level of batteries of voltage going down, battery charging starting, and when we reach proper level, battery charging is stop.
Yeah.
So we don't need to control. But for example, around every month, open the compartment of the battery just to check if any leak or something going on. If everything okay, no need that.
Yeah.
And for checking battery on the boat, only what we can do is to check the voltage.
Yeah.
When voltage going by instrument, when voltage going down, something wrong. Or charger no good, or battery is dead.
Remember guys, is you need to understand what type of battery you have, because the setting on your battery charger is set specific to the type of battery. So if you've got a gel battery, you've got to make sure your charger is set to charging gel batteries. now what are you going to wait for it to charge? You're going to test the batteries now?
Test
So now you're going to start the starboard generator, yeah?
yes.
Okay.
1 second.
So the battery that's now installed, the new starboard batteries, and now we're going to test it, make sure it's all working. So Slabs is checking the Jenny now. He'll come out here and then he'll start it from here. There he is. What's he doing in there, guys? Can't really see the reflection. You see me actually. He's a quick oil check. Just looking at oil levels. You see me in the reflection. Yeah, it's good.
Okay. So we need to cause the emergency stop.
Yeah. So deactivate the emergency stop. Reset.
No alarms.
No alarms.
Ready for operations. No alarms. Saving mode. The generator breaker on. It's open. Ready for operation. So, Luca, can I start?
Dovresti metterlo più o meno a pari fondo cassa.
For starting.
Straight away.
Straight away.
Look at that smile. Look at that smile, eh?
3-4 centimetri va bene.
Look at Luca, he's happy, yeah? Tutto okay. Straight away.
So we leave it 5 minutes to.
That's what we like, starting straight away.
So
Fresh batteries.
even I will start the port journey.
Che c'è?
Straight away.
Straight away. So we leave it.
Ma
This
io
in previous red alarm, red light what was going, it was from emergency
è una
stop.
pasta morbida.
Yeah.
So for reset I need to go on manual control box, put the middle knob in zero position in off, and then put it back on out.
Cool.
We can switch off. 240 seconds.
So now, just explain, so now you can't turn it off straight away, it's on a cool down period.
Yes.
But even if the generator's only been on for like a minute or two, it still needs to cool down, huh?
Still needs cool down, but for example, in emergency, if you need to switch off immediately, one more time to press stop.
Yeah, okay.
But always it's better to going to cool down to can circulate everything.
And now they change these ones, huh?
They change this to emergency stops.
Quando prova a mettere in moto anche il motore di destra. Ok, alzo un dolcino anche di là.
Now we stop. 2 minutes more and then we'll stop.
Okay, good. Adjustment the voltage for the generator.
Okay.
For the fail phase.
Guardi su quelli lì che è più preciso però,
4,24, 4,14.
A volte questi qui siccome falsino un po'.
Me lo guardi un attimo qui, te lo riguardo di là.
Right, that's going to conclude today's video. For those of you that are new to the channel, we're offering you the chance to win a week's vacation here on board Motor Yacht AWOL with 5 of your closest friends and family, all expenses included, including flights for the 6 of you. In order to enter, all you have to do is go in the description below, follow the link, the raffle link, and the tickets start from £15, and you could win the vacation of a lifetime. Be sure to check us out on Instagram and on Facebook. We also have some great Super Yacht Captain merchandise, we have some Cruise Stories merchandise, and just go and check it all out, guys. Come and support us. Big thank you, as always, to our patrons. If you've not signed up with Patreon with us, put a link in the description. It's patreon.com/Super Yacht Captain. I look forward to seeing you all next time. See you. Ciao.